remove the wheel, I'm going to use a 22mm socket. Take the wheel off. So that this wire doesn't break, I'm going to disconnect this wire right here. Just use this pick tool. Just slide this out right there. You can disconnect these retainers, just slide these off. That'll give me more slack. Just let that hang, that's good. I'm going to take a 21mm wrench. There's a nut right here, put it on that nut. Then 21mm socket, take this bolt and loosen it up. Just make sure you don't get too close to the rotor, because once this bolt comes out, it is going to tip forward. There's the nut. Oops. Nut and a washer. And you can push on the rotor a little bit, try to pull this bolt out. And just slide that out. Now take the 21mm wrench, put it on that nut, take the 21mm socket, take this bolt out. Oops, and there's the arm. Take the new arm and slide the bolt in position. And it goes on this way. If you look, there's a little raised section on that. This section's flat where the bolt goes. Slide that in position. And put the nut in the washer on the back side. So you can snug that up for now. Take this bolt, line this up here. Once you get that in a little bit, then grab this arm, push this in a little bit as you try to slide this down. You can get the bolt to come through a little bit, then you can get this lined up. Just like that. Oh, maybe a little more. There we go. And you just hold this arm while you hammer it the rest of the way in. There we go. Take the washer and the nut, put it on the end of the bolt. Just make sure the wires aren't in the way when you go to tighten this down. And put the wrench on here and snug this down. It is recommended that you replace this bolt when doing this job. I'm going to use a 21 and I'm going to torque this with the wrench over here to 74 foot-pounds. And then the second pass, you're going to go 90 degrees. So you can put an angle meter on here, or if you don't have one, just do the best you can. All right. And then I'm just going to tighten this bottom one down, just snug it up tight. I'm going to put the tire back on. Now I'll torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. That way it tightens the wheel down evenly. And I'll just go around again, double check.